Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool, I'm right here, and basically what this is an over-the-door hanging organizer that has like a window slot in the middle. And for the one that we got right here, it comes with 6 of these little window slots, and it's from the brand called Simple Houseware. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open the product, you guys can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. So the product is all nicely folded up together, if you can see. And inside they provide you guys a bunch of these little boards and the wall hangers right here. So I'm assuming for this board, you guys want to put it inside this slot right here to give that foundation on the side or the bottom. And the hanger part, you just want to hang it on top. But I'm actually open this up first to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when I open up the product, I can see that it actually provided some more accessories right here. So this one you guys want to put in the bottom of each section. But basically when you guys open it up, this is basically what the product looks like. You can see it's not that bulky, it's actually pretty small. And you see inside right here how much actually sticks out. It's not that much as well. So definitely save a lot of space. Actually looks very nice as well when you guys set it up. But basically the way how to design this right here, it has 2 options right here for you guys to hang over your door. But it's definitely pretty small, so if you guys want to hang 2 of them on your door, you definitely can. And for the one that we got right here, it's actually pretty long. If you can see, I can't even fit it in the whole entire screen. If you can see, that's how far it can go. But this is basically what the product looks like in the front, and here's what it looks like in the back. When you guys see the product right here, it definitely has a very good support in terms of the cardboard that they use inside right here, and also on the side as well, to give that support for the product. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Let me actually get the little accessories and put it inside right here to show you guys how to install it. So you basically want to take one of these right here and put it inside. And you basically want to put this bottom part inside like this. Alright, so once you guys got that set up, you guys want to work on the next part. So the next part, you basically want to get one of these right here and put it inside on the side right here. They basically have this slot on the side. They just want to slide in the cardboard. So just like this. Just slide it in. Same thing for the other side as well. So you see, once we actually set it up, it definitely looks a lot better now. So it has the cardboard inside and also has on the bottom to give that support when you guys put stuff inside here, and also give you guys that shape that you want as well. But you basically want to do the same thing for the rest of these right here. Then you guys can actually hang onto the wall. So I'm actually finished the rest of these right here, and then we'll install it on the wall to show you guys how to install it. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so see that once we install the product, this is basically what it actually looks like. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these window slots where you guys can put stuff in here. And each one of these has like a clear window slot right here. So you definitely see everything that you guys put inside. And see the way how we set up the top part here is basically attached in between the doors. And the cool thing about this part here is the fact that if you guys want to move it back and forth, so let's say if you guys want to move this side or if you guys want to move this side, you definitely can. And because of how small and compact this product is, if you guys want to put one on this side and put another one next to it, you definitely can. So that way you guys have storage here, and you probably have storage here. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully install it. So if you guys want to put like your towels, or if you guys want to put like your power bank, basically whatever you guys put in here, as long as it fits within the slot right here, then you can definitely put inside right here. And because it has like that steel or metal design for the hang option right here, it definitely gives you guys that really good support to actually hold everything on here. And definitely the fabric on here feels pretty nice as well. But this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys install it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you can start quick test our product and definitely see that actually does work, and actually works quite well. Literally the whole setup process didn't take that long. Once you guys finish putting like the cardboard into each one of the slots, they can basically put stuff inside. But before you guys put stuff inside, you do want to use the hanger accessory to install it onto your wall first, just like how I showed you guys in the video. So for this over-the-door hanging organizer, they actually have this available in a lot of different colors. So whether you guys want it in brown, gray, beige, or some other colors, that is up to you guys. The one that we got right here is a beige color. And also if having 6 of these slots is too much, if you guys want less, they do have a lot of other options available, such as the 4 window slots. So instead of having 6 like the one you guys see right here, you guys get 4 of them instead. So definitely see that once we install the product on there, it definitely has a lot more space for us to put stuff on and keep everything all organized. And it actually looks really nice as well. That way you guys are taking advantage of every space that you have in your room. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and tested the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these one of these. Especially if you guys have a lot of stuff and you want to keep everything all organized. Especially if you guys want to take advantage of every space you guys have to actually put more stuff and keep everything all organized. Especially if you guys have like empty space on your door, then this product is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.